Hello everyone. So today I will be sharing with you how to make the seawave curved text effect in Canva. So for this we will be requiring a white canvas, and this I could get from YouTube thumbnail as it has a white canvas. So we will just type here YouTube thumbnail and we will select blank canvas here, and we will not select any type of template from here. We will go to the upload section, and as you can see I have already downloaded a PNG file for this wave effect, which I have downloaded from pngwing.com, and I will share you the link of the image there in the description so that you can download it directly from there. Okay, so let's move to the effects now. So let's make it bigger here, and after that we'll type the text. So we will type here seawave and make it bigger, like 104. But as you know, seawave is a single word, but in effects if we try to make it a curve, you are getting it like, you will get it like this, or you can get like this in the other way, like in this way. So you are not getting this wavy pattern. So to make the wave pattern you have to do a simple trick here. You have to just delete it and write it the word in two different layers. Like you have to break it down, like once you write C and once you write wave, like break the single word in two layers. Okay, and next just bring them, adjust it in the waves and make it bigger here. So 104 suits for us, so we'll make it here, and this one I'll make it here. So after that it's time for the effects, and we will go to the curve and we'll just adjust the C layer here. So 59 looks okay for me. Let's just rotate it a bit. You can also adjust the letters with the arrow keys present in the keyboard. And for this curve we have to go the other way, right? So we'll have to move in the negative curve layer, and we'll just increase it so that it gets the ideal effect. So as you can see it looks good for us, and we'll just adjust it again. You can just increase it a bit if you want. So like this one, we'll make it come here, so that as you can see now both the ones are looking similar. So this one is a bit line is spacing, so we'll make this also a bit spacing so that the waves look similar. And now as you can see the letters are equidistant, right? So this is what the seawave effect is about. Now you can change the color so that it blends well in the effects. We'll come it here and we'll just make it a deep color layer, and we follow the same effect here. So as you can see the seawave effect is done, and hope you like the video, and please subscribe to the channel for more tutorials on Canva.